Okay, thank you for having me here. My name is Roberto. I'm representing Andamio. Andamio is a sort of a product from Gimbalabs. For those that don't know Gimbalabs has been onboarding developers to Cardano ecosystems since Fund10 pretty much. And from the insights on the work that we've gathered, we decided to create a solution to some problems that we've been seeing in the community, some challenges that we've been seeing. So we're on the Products and Integrations Challenge. This is Andamio by Gimbalabs. This is sort of a product development proposal. We're seeking funding for our Andamio is on a beta stage. We want to take it to market. So what Andamio is it integrates a couple of things. The first one is a PBL-based learning management system, but it also has a treasury system and a governance system powered by smart contracts on the behind the scenes. So the first thing that we're looking to do with this Andamio product is to help organizations seamlessly onboard contributors to their projects. And for contributors, we're looking for organizations to upload educational resources so that contributors that want to solve problems can earn project-related skills, gain some real-world experience. I like to visualize things a little bit. So let's say we're creating a platform where different organizations can upload different courses, PBL based, ideally, doesn't have to be. It's just a learning management system. And then you would have this access to this network of different skill-based projects or problem-solving projects that you could contribute to. And we do it through a 4-phase approach, let's say. And we do onboarding, building background knowledge, specialization, and contribution. And what this does is it allows organizations to sort of identify people that are actually engaged and motivated to solve the problems that they are solving, to identify talent that they would like to onboard to their organizations. And this goes through a process of, you go through different mastery-based assessments where you can test yourself and prove that you've mastered certain subjects. And based on that, you can either earn rewards or earn reputation through this like token identifier that we can see here. So this would be sort of a different way. This is in no way what we're designing. This is just an example of something that could be similar to what we're thinking of, right? It's just a platform where you upload courses that you can contribute to, earn rewards, and organizations can identify talent that they would like to onboard to their organizations. So the budget we're looking for this is 450,000 ADA, which pays for 6 months of development, approximately 5% of the challenge, 100% open source. And this is sort of the allocation of the budget breakdown. Main cost driver is pretty much project management and adoption and implementation because of the complexity and market and business research. And that's time.